Hello, how you doing? I'm going to make fish curry today. This is absolutely delicious. Nice and spicy, coconut based, fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here's our fish. This fish is known as Rohu or Rohu and several other names. Very, very popular in Bangladesh as a kind of curried fish. This is a 1.2 kg fish here that's been cleaned. So the tail's been off, it's been descaled. The guts have been taken out, any spikes have been removed. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the head off. I'm not going to use the head today, although you can, but I'm going to save the head and then I make a kind of fish stock with it. You know, I kind of freeze my fish heads and parts as that I go along, and then I make stock of it. So I'm going to take the head off and then we're going to cut it into kind of fairly chunky pieces. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to add some salt, I'm going to add some black pepper. I'm going to be generous with both of those. And then I'm going to add turmeric, a couple of teaspoons, and chili powder. Same again, roughly. I'm going to get in there and give that a mix, kind of coat all of the fish with it, and then we're going to fry that off first before we make our curry. So I've got my pan here and I've got some oil in there, as you can see. I'm using coconut oil, but you could change that if you want. We're going to take our fish steaks and we're going to pop them in, nicely coated now. Medium heat or slightly above medium heat. I'm going to be frying this around. I'm turning it a few times for about 6 or 7 minutes. Then we're going to set it aside and then get our masala or curry together. Very, very simple. A thumbs up and a subscription is always helpful to the channel. Okay, so off goes the heat. Absolutely beautiful. Take the fish out, set it aside, but keep the oil. Okay, so the fish is done. We've just seen that happen. 2 cups of onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. And then let's take a look at some spices here. So fresh chili. Now I'm putting my fresh chilies in whole like that. I've just taken the nib off it, chop them if you want. I've got like 6 or 7 there. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, some dried red chili. This is going to be quite hot, this one. And then a teaspoon each of chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder for anyone interested in that. Turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Let's get back to that pot where we fried the fish and in that lovely flavored oil. Let's go. Okay, so back in this same pot. The reason we're keeping this oil and stuff is it's got some lovely flavors in it. We don't want to waste that. We're going to start off by dropping in those cumin seeds and the fresh chili. Just let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. Then we're going to add the 2 cups of the onion. I'm going to add a little bit of salt now. And we're going to go now for about just 3 or 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, let's get those fresh chilies in. Like I say, I'm putting mine in whole like that, but chop them if you want. We're going to add the ginger garlic paste. We're going to add our spices. One more look, shall we? Teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. Let's just give this a nice little mix. And then we're going to be adding the coconut milk. I've got 400 ml of coconut milk, which we're going to get into here. Beautiful stuff. Let me grab the fish. So here's our fish here. In that goes. Nice and gentle. And we're going to cook this for about 5 or 6 minutes on a medium heat. It will change color and slightly reduce. Beautiful stuff. Okay, off goes the heat. You can see it's deepened nicely in color there from the turmeric and the other spices, and reduced down a little bit. A little pinch here of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is like a kind of finishing spice, a kind of blend. A little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, fresh. That's delicious. And that is really, really good. I love this one. Nice and easy. Doesn't take long, does it? Super, super tasty. Nice with rice, or if you want with some sort of roti or chapati or some sort of bread like that. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook, $3.99. Very, very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.